Hello little wanderer, welcome to a new class with wonderLearn. I am Aditi, your teacher. Today we're going to learn and have a lot of fun, so get ready to put on your creative hats and join me for a class where we learn, play and have a lot of fun. Are you ready?
Hello little wanderer. For our art project this month, we're going to use some Play-Doh, these stamps of different animals and some objects from nature like butterflies and trees and a roller, and we're going to create beautiful stamp art. So let's take our Play-Doh out and our roller. We'll keep the Play-Doh on a flat surface, take our rollers and roll it out nicely. Once we've rolled it out to a nice flat shape, you can take any of your stamps. I'm going to take the monkey. You can put the roller into that and it becomes a stamp. Take that and press it on your Play-Doh. When you take it off, you get a pattern. You can use different colors of your Play-Doh and see what all different stamps you can make. Remember, as always, have a lot of fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.